I'm trying to make a video over here and you're stuffing your face.
Biscuits and gravy and apple fritters.
Oh my gosh. What's going on, guys? Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets, and welcome back to another video. So, I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, and the main reason behind that was the fact that I'm trying to finish up this 1-ton build. I got the Dana 60 re-geared with our zip locker and 538 gears, so the gearing is done on both the front and rear axle. This video is coming soon. That's going to be probably about an hour-long video, but it's going to be step-by-step on how to re-gear an axle. Specifically a Dana 60, but it's going to translate over to, you know, Dana 44s, Dana 30s, and stuff like that. Are you still eating?
It's not gone.
So this is Cassie, for those of you that don't know. She's my wife. She has her own channel, Jeep Gear and Gadgets, but I've had my channel for 2 years now, and this is like one of the first times she's made an appearance. She is never in any of my videos. Why is that?
I'm too busy eating.
Yeah.
and fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks. All right, so let's get back on topic. So I know you're probably wondering, what only happens once a year? What's up with that title? Well, it was kind of clickbait, I am sorry, but today is my birthday. Yee-hee! So if you can do one thing for me for my birthday, give this video a thumbs up, go down to the comments and leave something funny. I want to laugh. Anything funny. But what did I get for my birthday? Cassie was nice enough to get me a set of bed rug, or a bed rug set, whatever you want to do. We put it in the LJ, what, how long ago was that?
4 months ago?
Like 4 months ago, and she's been telling me to get it in the JK because I took the carpet out a long time ago after 36 hours of Uori, when it just got demolished and muddy. So I just put this in today. I didn't really want to do an install video. Like I said, it's my birthday, and the last thing I really wanted to do was an install video on my birthday. I actually do like doing installed videos, but Cassie already did install on the bed rug, and honestly, it's simple. It goes right in, but I really, really like how that looked. Before it was gross, and it makes the Jeep look a lot cleaner. I know a lot of you guys are always like, Ben, you need to clean your interior, and it looks like a brand new Jeep now, you know, except for all the mud everywhere else beside the carpet. But that's for another day. I don't have time to. Maybe my lovely wife would help me clean the Jeep for
it
once.
Looks so much nicer, and it was a gift for you, but it was really for me because I got tired of looking at the inside of your Jeep.
Oh, good boy. But
Hey, Max!
what else do we have here? What? LS swap? No. So I wrote that, so that's just a funny. This is a secret mod coming up soon. Sadly, it's not an LS swap, but I really wish I could just get one in a box and throw it on there, because that would be sweet. Maybe next year. But this is going to be something pretty cool. This came in today. I'm not going to talk about that too much. But something else came in the mail, also for my birthday. And of course, I got these. She wouldn't even know. What are these?
They're brakes.
Yeah, but not just brakes. Power stop brakes. So this is planning for the 1-ton build. And check out, dude, can you hold the camera just so you can actually see how big these are?
Do that.
So these are the front power stop calipers for the Ford Dana 60, and look how huge that is. These things are humongous. So I will be doing a full video on brakes, talking about brake upgrades, or, you know, other options for those of you looking to do the 1-ton swap. Stock brakes work perfectly fine. They're a huge upgrade, but since my old ones were from the junkyard, it's perfect time to go ahead and do an upgrade. So got those calipers in, went ahead and got rotors too. Once again, look how big these rotors are. I'm gonna set it inside my bead lock. That is huge. How's that for a big brake upgrade? We're gonna have to do a bunch of other mods. Since these are dual piston, we'll have to upgrade our oh, I'm out of breath. How much do you think that weighs? Pick it up. I'm curious. Can you curl that? I'm curious to see if she can curl it. Do a curl.
No, I cannot curl that.
Curl it. Oh, little baby biceps.
I can with both arms. That is heavy. I don't know.
What, like 30, 40 pounds? 30. Let's see. I could probably curl 25 pounds, right?
I can. You should be able to curl 25 pounds. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, that's like 10 pounds.
It's girl heavy.
That's definitely heavy. But we're gonna have to upgrade our master cylinder and all that cool stuff. Go with the J8 kit, and you already know that will be a video within its own. But what else are we talking about? I don't know, guys. I wanted to put out a video and just let you guys know what's up. I try to post once a week. It's been a while, and my main goal was to get these axles re-geared. We are done with that, so the 1-ton swap is gonna keep going at a nice fast pace now. I know Cassie's looking forward to hitting the trails in the LJ, and I'm hoping to be on 1-tons when we hit the trails this summer. Got some new wheels and tires for the LJ. These are the Mickey Thompson Classics. They were originally polished. Totally neglected. They were pitted like crazy. I tried polishing them up and cleaning them up, but it probably would have taken me like a good 10 hours to do. I did like one section of one, and Cassie came out back in the garage like an hour later. She's like, how are the wheels looking? I'm like, okay, nope. So sandblasted them and gonna actually paint them steel it gray. So those are for the LJ. I still haven't figured out what bead locks to go with in the 8-lug. I have my eyes on a few, but I want to change it up, go with something pretty cool, a little bit different than normally. But we decided to change up the tires on the LJ. These Firestones are just garbage. They are loud, they're really hard. I'm sure they would last a while, but honestly, I'm not a big fan of those. So went with the Yokohama Geolanders, same size, 35s. Had these on the JK before I went to the newer style Geolanders, the XMTs. So these are gonna be going under here soon, and here's a sneak peek of what the steel it looks like. That is a beautiful finish. It's like a matte gunmetal gray / silver color, but I think it's gonna look pretty cool on the LJ. So that'll be coming up. LJ is looking fresh, and the bed rug in here is what kind of convinced me to do it on the JK. Fit really. She did it. What else? Anything else? One thing I do need to talk about, the Hike-It throttle controller sale. They sold a lot more than they were expecting. So they are getting more in stock soon. I know quite a few people have already got theirs and installed it, but for those of you that are still waiting, trust me, it is gonna happen. But they just, like I said, they sold way more than they thought they would. So they're getting more in stock, and they will be getting out to you soon. So I promise it is worth the wait. And for those of you that missed it, I think they're still doing 20% off discount code. So it's still a pretty good deal. Another thing I want to talk about, the little programmer app that I did the video on. The developer made a few new changes. He changed it so you can now run your headlights and your fog lights with the high beams on and your fog lights on at the same time. So previously, you know, in the standard JK without any programming, whenever you flick your high beams on, when your fog lights are on, your fog lights cut off. You can't have them both. But the app has an update so you can run your high beams and your fog lights. That's pretty cool. And for those of you that are thinking of doing the 1-ton swap, that coming up soon, my video, we're gonna talk about you know, how to make the electronics happy with this, with the ABS, the wheel speed sensors, all that stuff. So the stock JK's 55 tooth. Most of the swap tone rings for the front and rear are 60 tooth. And you had to do a lot of crazy, funky programming. Do you think I'm boring people with all this mumbo jumbo? What did I just say?
I wasn't even listening.
Oh, of course not. But they are, you can change the tone ring tooth count with the app. So I know a majority of you guys don't give a crap about that, but that is amazing news for those of us doing a 1-ton swap. It makes it so much easier. Heck yeah. Oh, yeah, Cassie's excited. She don't even care. But I think that's it, guys. I just wanted to make a quick update video. There's no fun wheeling trips happening here.
Next weekend will be a...
What are we doing next weekend?
What's in Virginia Beach? And the 5th next weekend?
Ah, Virginia Beach Jeep Fest. Is that
Yes.
next weekend?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I should probably clean the Jeep. So if you guys are in the Virginia Beach area, there's a little Jeep show. It's called Virginia Beach Jeep Fest. I think they do it Friday through Sunday. There's campgrounds available, so you camp out. It's not a very big event. It's a pretty small local event, but it's pretty cool. And that means I definitely need to clean the Jeep a little bit. I got a lot of pollen on it. That's probably why I'm sneezing and have headaches. But we have a lot of cool videos to start making soon. And hopefully some wheeling trips this summer.
Yeah, so we'll have some.
Some. So thanks for watching, guys. Like always, give this video a big old thumbs up. Stay tuned for that Dana 60 re-gear video that's gonna be dropping soon after I sit inside and edit for like 3 hours. But take care until next time.
Have y'all seen the pricing on the Gladiator? When are we getting a red one?